Trying to learn kanji? Click the link in the description to get a free ebook and study along with this lesson.
皆さん、お元気でしょうか？今日もこの時間がやってまいりました。Let's review N1 Kanji. Let's go! If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. Then, this kanji means sponsor, hold a meeting, give a dinner. The on-reading is 催, like in 主催する, meaning sponsor. And the kun-reading is 催, as in 催す, meaning hold. Then, this kanji means bond, loan, debt. The kun-reading is 債, as in 債務, meaning a debt. And 公債, meaning public loan. Then, this kanji means wound, hurt, injure, impair, weak point. The on-reading is 傷, like in 傷害, meaning injury. And the kun-reading is 傷, 痛, as in 痛める, means to damage. Boom. This kanji means me, I, especially for male. The on-reading is 僕, like in 僕ら, meaning we, and in 僕, which means I. 僕、僕たち。僕の名前は光一です。Boom. This kanji means colleague, official, companion. The on-reading is 領, like in 領友, meaning colleague. You can also say 同僚, which means colleague, and you can also use 領友, but it's more polite. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 同僚、痛める、催す、僕ら、債務。Now say the meaning of the following words. 主催する、sponsor、公債、public loan、領有、colleague、障害、injury、僕、I。今日は以上です。Don't forget to thumbs up for the video and subscribe to our channel. 毎度ありがとうございます。Bye!